Hi there, this is Fix It. This is an unpackaging of a Fix zipper. It says as seen on TV. So let's open it up and try not to cut myself on these deadly packages. It's obvious I'm going to need another bag to put these in afterwards because this is one of the packages that can't be opened without damaging it. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Inside here there are 6 zippers. All of them are taped down, and basically these are clever design in that they open and clip down, and I'll be doing a video showing how you fit one of these. But there's 6 in all for small, medium and large zips, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. There's over 500 to choose from and every one of them is fully tested. If this video helps save you money, then please use the super thanks to buy me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye.